guard dog since we got 3 minutes left in the stream. Warn the workers when danger is near. You can't help the workers across the river in time, but your pet can. Your pet can find the nearest enemy just like a hero can. If your pet sees an enemy, use pet say to warn the workers. Ooh, that's a lot. Can the pet fight? So, on spawn, while true. So if there's an enemy and the pet finds the enemy. So if there is an enemy, then the pet's gonna say something. What should the pet say, y'all? The pet can say, ski. What the pet gonna say? These nuts, no. No, we're not gonna have the pet say that. Have the pet say something else. What the hook gonna be? Okay.
I don't need no beef.
What the hook gonna be? St. Louis style? Question mark. And this. What? So if there's an enemy, Kitty, the bird, dog, cat, is gonna say what's the hook gonna be, and then the people are gonna be like, oh my gosh, run away, there's enemies. Let's try it out. What the hook gonna be? Not the cute dog. Oh, he back there getting it on him. What the hook gonna be, and then they hide. That is so funny.
Well, I have to disconnect. I have to probably kettle back.
Alright, well, thanks for hanging out. We're about to end the stream anyway.
Always.
Until next time. This dude is seeing Murphy Lee lines to hide the villagers. That is funny. Well, friends, we did a lot with functions and methods and parameters.